Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bubu Jubaida. I would like to explain my answer about family. For number one, what mean? For number one, what's different between family and relative? For family is generally referred to a core group consisting of parents, father, mother, and their children. The definition can be broader, encompassing people who live together in one household and share strong emotional bonds, such as a grandparent, sibling, or even other family member. The main characteristics of family are emotional closeness, shared responsibility, and often living together. Relationships within a family are usually based on marriage, descent, or adoption. And for relative is a broader term and include all individuals who are connected to us through lineage, blood relation, or marriage. This include immediate family member, but also encompass uncle, aunts, cousin, grandparent from both the paternal and maternal side, niece, nephew, and in-laws. The level of closeness with relative can vary, and we might not have close relationship with all of them. And then for number two, I would like to explain about my answer. Is there a difference between a nuclear family and extended family? For a nuclear family is typically defined as a family unit consisting of two parents, traditionally a father and a mother, but can also include same-sex parents or single parents, and their dependent children living in the same household. The focus is on the scar unit. Other relatives like grandparents, aunts, uncle, and cousin are not considered part of the nuclear family in this immediate living arrangement. For example, a mother, a father, and their two children living in a house together form a nuclear family. And for an extended family includes the nuclear family plus relatives living nearby or within the same household. These relatives can include grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousin, and sometimes even more distant relatives. The key characteristic in the present and close involvement of multiply generation or sibling families. For example, a household where a mother, a father, their child, and the child's grandparent all live together is an extended family. Another example would be if a married couple and their children live in close proximity to the husband, sibling, and their families, and they frequently interact and support each other. That's all the answer to the discussion for me. Thank you and good evening.